Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how to mint an NFT on the BNB network using Bidify Mint. First thing you want to do is navigate to mint.bidify.org and then connect your MetaMask wallet. Connect your MetaMask wallet is always pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts as and when they appear. You then want to create an advanced NFT. You can create a standard one, but that's too easy for us. Upload the image which you want to use for your NFT, give it a title. I'm going to call this one DAO Handbook. Collection will be called Cryptosy, and the symbol, and then a short description. So this is my description. You're going to choose how many of these NFTs you want to create. Remember, each NFT will be absolutely identical. So I'm going to create 4 of these NFTs. You then agree with the terms and conditions and click Mint Advanced NFT. It's going to upload your data to the IPFS, which is the Interplanetary File System, and it will begin minting your NFTs. You'll then get a small pop-up for your MetaMask, which you should confirm. There'll be a small charge for this. Then the NFTs will be minting, and within a few seconds, the transaction should be completed. It generally depends on what's happening, the speed of the Binance Smart Chain. Usually it doesn't take as long as this. Should get a transaction confirmed in your bottom right corner. When it's almost done, it'll add it to the database, which is the Bidify database. And then congratulations on your newly minted NFT. You can then share it with the world via Twitter, Facebook or Telegram. Or if you expand these details, you can join our Discord or you can join our mailing list. And it's really that simple. Thanks for watching.